Pale blue zebra. Man, how are these two people here already? How are you here already, guys? What's going on? Oh, my thing isn't on. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Tail and Pale, what's up? I don't know. Looks like you guys have been here the whole time. Um. All right. All right. Let's get set up here. Okay. Okay. Let's continue with our build out. So what we got so far? We have a working. I mean, the game seems to work on the console, right? So if I do rounded S, there you go. That's let's log user input as well. Console log the user input. Okay, and we're gonna say this is user input. All right, there you go. User input scissors. Mm, this can go. There we go. So user input, customer input. Scissors beats rock. So computer one. Computer score goes up by one. Okay, and then I put in paper. Customer input is a draw. Let's say rock. I won. So 1-1. So we go. I'm still not sure why this undefined is coming up. But for the most part, I think we're there. So right, 4-3, and I won 5-4. User one. Maybe let's make that. Um, maybe just like victory. It's over. Something like that, right? So draw 4-4 tie. It's over, comrade, right? Something like that. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so that's what we got. So we put in the rock. The problem is, so when I've got the this listener thing, it isn't going through. And I don't know why. So it's obviously taking in the value, right? Oh, look at that. User input is that's the problem. User input is rock. That's what the problem is. So the value being passed in is R. It needs to be rock. Okay. I think that's what we gotta do. Rock. And then on click, right? Paper. On click. I think that might be it. So rock, paper. Okay, so when the computer wins, we're going +1. Okay, now we're still in user score 1. Okay, scissors, computer 1, rock. paper, computer one, victory. Okay, we have a bug in our system now. Okay, so round R. Let's refresh, start over. So rock, got paper. U1. Let's get some scissors in there. All right. Computer score is 5, so yeah, sober, right? So it works in the console. So now trying to figure out why the thing doesn't work. So let's refresh, right? So when I do rock, it's a draw. It's okay. It's not telling me it's a draw. Why is it not telling me it's a draw? Okay, let's see. If round scores if da da da. Let's just draw right here. If user input equals should be logging that. Let's see. I mean, oh, rocks. That's the problem. It's the S is the problem, right? It should be rock. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, that should not be fixed. So rock, one. So user score goes up by one. Computer score is still 0. Paper. So draw. Okay, perfect. Scissors. I lost 1-1. So draw again. 2-1 to me. Paper. 2-2. It's a draw. 3-2. So I need 2 more. Draw, scissors, 4-2, rock. So draw, victory. All right, perfect. Okay, so we now have a working game. That's amazing. Now, hmm. Now I guess now I just need to fix the UI. So, all right, so it works in the console. We need to find better images. All right, let's go. Let's create some in Canva.com. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so we need some rocks, right? PNG, yeah, logo seems about right. That kind of size. And all right, search for templates. Twitch computer, no, we need some rock. What we got? Elements. Let's search for icons for rock. Okay, that looks cool. Right, that looks alright. Let's make it bigger. Yeah, okay. How do I add second page? Alright, rock. Let's see if we can find similar paper in here. Search for paper. It's not very clear, is it? Can I change the color for this? Filter. Oh, there you go. Effects. Cherry. Violet. Alright, let's do that. Pink is a bit too pink. Alright, that looks cool. So I got rock. I got paper. Yeah, probably need to make it slightly smaller. Okay, let's make it smaller bit. Okay, rock, paper, and then need some scissors. Let's get some scissors. Boom. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Scissors. So we need something that looks like some of these graphical stuff. Okay. Yeah, well, let's just yeah, let's go with that. Oh, I do want it rotated though. Okay. Man, my computer's lagging again. Alright, let's get rid of that. Okay, should be back up. Alright, rock, paper, scissors. Yeah, let's download them. I want PNGs of all of them. Okay, let's go. Perfect. We have a zip folder. Alright, this can go away. Okay. Rock. Scissors. Alright, so I'm gonna move these three in here. Okay. So if I go to HTML and the source, I think I should be able to just go right dot rock. Hey, look at that. So we've got the scissors of PNG, but not the rock. It's weird. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. We've got rock, we've got paper, we've got scissors. Okay. Let's remove the commas. Let's quickly check my settings here. I feel like this may be what's slowing it down. All right, links. Sweeping this up. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and delete this. Okay, not much change there. Event rotator, countdown, stream. All right, okay, we'll see. We'll see if that changes anything. I can always add it back. Okay. The design, man. I don't know what's made to look like. Okay. Let's look at some color palette, right? Color scales, color scales, scale generator. There we go. I like that. Let's go for this color. So we got a CSS background. Background color. It's gonna be that. Needs a hashtag. Nope. 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 Oh, okay. That's a problem. That is a problem. The images, they've got backgrounds. All right, we can't have that. I thought they were PNGs with no backgrounds. Let's go. Oh, you need to pay for a transparent background now? Alright, whatever. Try it free for 30 days. Sure. Once you put a card in. That sucks, man. Okay. Let's find some PNGs. PNGs. Free PNG images. There we go. Dum, dum. PNG tree. We can try a free pick here too. Okay. Rock. No, thank you. Sign in Google. No. Rock, paper, scissors. What do we get for that? Filter. Free. That's what I want. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. But is it going to give me individual files, or is that just going to be one big? Freedom. Attribution required. Sure, we can do that. Copy an attribute. Okay. Okay. So we got the picture, but the problem is it's all in one. You see? So here's what we're getting, right? Rock paper scissors. But that's not quite what I want. What I want is images without the background. All right, so we may have to do some Canva magic. It kind of is annoying because it forces me to use white as a background, and I don't want to do that. Okay, let's see. I think there's some background. Remove background. What was that? All right, there we go. All right, where is it? It's in the downloads. Okay. So this JPEG. All right. Let's see if we can remove it for us. Hey, look at that! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. So what we're gonna need to do is, all right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take smaller screenshots of each. Okay. And then we're gonna remove the background. That's rock one. Okay. That's not what we want. We need another screenshot. Okay. 2, 3. Okay. 5, and last but not least 6. All right, fantastic. So now that we got those, let's get rid of that. And let's just upload it straight up in there. All right. Upload. Remove. All right. Download. Okay. Can I do multiple files at the same time? Oh, it's one at a time. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. third one. All right, so we have the fourth one. All right, so now we go to downloads. User rock. Okay. User scissors. User hand. I'm just renaming the files right now. Comp scissors. That's gonna be compend. All right, so we got all the files. That's amazing. So we can get rid of these because not all those. This one, and this one. Go ahead and move to bin. And all of these new ones, they can now go in here because we can use those now. Okay, great, fantastic. So now, let's see what we got. Save it. Let's open that up. And all right, obviously the pictures don't work because I removed it. So let's see. Scissors is gonna be the left one. We're gonna go with user. User's got a rock. And then on the right, it's gonna have a comp. Scissors. So we're winning this one. Okay. Awesome. So okay. So I kind of want that to be animated. It just comes from the side woof, like that when you select select a rock. So when I click on that, this should come up, and then scissors, and we see if we win. And I kind of want it to reset after each thing as well. Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. Okay, great. That's fantastic. So, rock is working in the background. Sit down for a bit. All right, so what can we do here, guys? All right, let's see. Let's try and figure out this thing here is not working. Div user. Let's put 0 for now. Okay, I guess we could put a p tag. Doesn't really matter. Oh, look at that. Now it works. All right, so what do I name it? So section is this entire section. And then we got two divs, right? User, RAM result, and then computer. Okay, so where it's user, we can go display flex direction row. See, column does that. Okay, so we definitely want it to be row, right? I don't like the fact that it does that. So maybe no space between. What other option we got? Space around. Space evenly. I guess it's not. All right, let's look up some stuff. So CSS tricks.com flexbox. Flex grow, flex direction, flex wrap, flex sim, flex flow, justify content. Yeah, I definitely want it to be space between. Alright, let's see. I just want to see what that looks like. Color red. No. Background color, so I can see what the background looks like. Background. Alright, let's do that. Good morning. Good morning. How's it going? Man, why is this friggin' background so bad? Okay. Padding left. What does that do? Okay. Why the fuck won't you move? I don't understand. I do not understand what's going on. User section score. All right. All right. So we got a div class user, right? Display flex. Okay. What if we remove the flex? Okay. Okay. So row's definitely working. I think the problem is there's a p tag and all. Put it there. Okay. Now they're on the same line, which is great. Space between not working though. Space evenly. Space between. Nope, that doesn't do anything. Space around. Right, that must. Huh. That doesn't do anything. What the heck? Alright. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is. Okay, what if I just add it as a p tag? So both of them were paragraph tags, right? Does that make it? It don't make no difference. Let's go back. I don't know how to fix that. Margin. Maybe. I mean, we've already got 50. Oh, look at that. It's an X 50 pixels. Okay, so that moves it to the left. That is not what I want. Okay, maybe what I need to do is to class run this up. Attack them directly. Maybe you just go utext or like user text. We can add that to the computer one as well, right? That might work. And then let's see if we can target that. So as a class, user text margin left, and we're going to move it about 30 pixels to the left. I don't do anything. Am I targeting the right thing though? Okay, font size. Say 30 pixels. Okay, we're targeting the right thing. That's good. But margin doesn't work, huh? Okay. So that does work. So okay, so I just need to go left. Alright, okay. We just needed more. Alright, we got it. 250. Boom, there you go. That's what I wanted. Perfect, perfect. Computer. Computer isn't moving. You da da da. Alright, we can remove the font size. Let's say 15 pixels. Too small. 20. Yeah, that's good. The background can now go. User text. User score. What's user score you said? Oh, right. So okay, this actually needs to be in here. So that should move the computer now to perfect. Do you know what? Okay, we're gonna remove the user text from there, and we're gonna add that to the actual number. Class equals user score, right? Same thing for the computer score. That's gonna go down here. Class equals, and let's target that. So dot user score. Yeah, let's copy these two. But instead of left, it's going to have a margin right. I don't think it needs maybe 20 pixels. How's that? Okay, that's about right. Let's score. All right, let's add some padding to this. Padding. Let's do a consistent padding all around. Say 20 pixels. Okay, 20 is a bit too big. 10. Yeah, 10 looks alright. Now maybe 7. Yeah, okay. Cool. So this one's okay. What we now need to do is fix these two. So I think we can do the same thing we did for the user text. So how do I do that? I basically computer. I turned both of them into divs, right? That's how I fixed it. Div. There we go. All right. You computer. How's that looking? Yeah, okay. I do want all of that to have a margin up top. The school margin top. 100 pixels. Let's see. I don't think pictures is good. I think view height is better. Yeah, it's too much. 10 view height. 50. 20. How's 20? Okay, 20 is about right. So that's the school. Where are the images? Kind of want the images a bit lower still. Okay, images is on the round result. Margin top. Too much. Okay, that's cool. I think we can get rid of the excuse me. We can get rid of the versus thing. That doesn't actually make much sense. All right, so we got these two, and I kind of wanted to animate when you select it. The result. Where's result? Result is where we got that button. Also, I think choices needs to come down a little bit too. So margin top. Let's give this 5 view heights. How's that? Okay, needs a bit more. 15. See how it moves everything down? So okay, maybe not view heights. Margin top of 30 pixels. Boom, boom. Okay, very cool. I don't kind. We need to design the buttons, make it look prettier. Are you computer? Okay. All right. So the result, round result. Where is it? Where is this text? Result. Where is this? So it's not here. Comp score. Ah, there it is. Result. So we got it right in between the 3 divs, right? So why is that one? Why is that one all the way in the middle like that? It's under the score section. Flex, row, space evenly. All right. So what we're gonna do is, man, I have no idea what I'm doing. Result. Where's result? Okay. We're gonna target round result and see if we can make that work. So we already got round result here. Round result. Round result. Okay, there's a problem. That's what the problem is. Why have I targeted one result directly? I don't know why I did that. Flicks. Yeah, I don't know why we got all this. What is all this? Yeah, that one shouldn't be there. That's a okay. There we go. Now that makes more sense. Um, do you know what? I think the computer class needs to move to the right a little bit. Yeah, let's change that to comp text. All right, perfect, 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 perfect. So comp text. All right, so what we do user text margin left, user score margin right. Font size. What does this do? Don't think we need that, do we? Nope. Okay, that was not doing anything. So comp text. We're just gonna add a margin right to that one to move it slightly to the right. There we go. Maybe even 40. Okay. I also kind of want all capitals in there. U versus computer. Okay, cool, cool, cool. What's going on, everybody? Everybody's chilling today. Not much happening in the chat. What's going on? Mike, welcome back. I think I removed the game, huh? Yeah, the game's gone. The game is gone. That does seem to have. I don't think it's sped up the thing. So we'll put it back in. Mm-hmm. Browser source. Okay. Okay, let's try if that works now. Drop. There we go. It's working. Cool. Very cool. Okay, computer. I think we're gonna have to font size of 20 pixels. That's gonna need to go comp score, comp text. Okay, there we go. Computer U. I don't like the fact that U is so far to the left. Maybe 200 pixels, alright, okay. That is looking better. It's looking better. Result. We need to do something different with the result. What can we do with the result? When we got paper, rock, scissors, right? You, so it's gonna be some kind of score. All right. What do we have? So, user round score is what we're calling it. So if we give it the ID of that, I think that should work. So if I do ID equals, I have no idea how to assign it to JavaScript, add score to HTML. How do you do that? Game score. Count the score. This the type, this the width. Adding scores to a variable. Button on click, add one. So yeah, we got that one. I now needed to then display that on the page. How do you do that? It needs to update. I wanted to update this. So right now it updates the console, right? So if we put rock, there we go. I mean, it's a draw. It doesn't do anything. So there, you see this number. I need that number to show up here. How do we do that? Okay, let's see. So, console log the result. Comp round score. I have no idea. So display result on page JavaScript. Yeah. On HTML from JavaScript. Is that gonna tell me? Yeah. Document the right alert box console log. Okay, maybe document right. Writing into the okay. ID demo. Document the get element by ID that in HTML 5+6. What does that do? Will delete all existing. On click, document the right 5+6. Okay, that's not what I want. Okay, so if we did this might be something we can do. So get element by ID, right? Okay, where's that array? There is. So instead of comp score, right? So get document dot get element by ID. The ID is going to be comp run score and HTML equals comp run score. How's that? Error. Cannot set property in HTML for null. What do we call it? Okay, and this an ID. Do we still have it? Yeah. ID equals that. Okay. How about that? Hey, look at that. Yo, that worked. All right, amazing. So, okay, we got that working. That's cool. Come to code 2. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So now we got to do the same thing. Um, all right, so that's how you do it. So we need an ID for. We already got an ID. User run score. There we go. So exact same thing, but with user score, right? So we're gonna go in here. Let's delete that. So get element by ID. The ID is gonna be this one right here. All right. So that should now update unexpected token on line 104. It doesn't like that. We call an array now. Missing that after an argument list. Alright, what's going on, guys? It is messing my thing up. Oh, that one? Was that what the problem was? Yeah, I think so. Alright, we may have solved it. So rock. Comms code goes up by 1. Look at that. Paper, 1 1. Scissors, 2 1, 3 1, 2 3, 3 3, tie, tie, 4 3. Computers 1. Okay, cool. Right, so the result is what we need to change. All right, so we need to do the exact same thing. Get element by ID equals result. And so what we're going to need to do first is add. Okay, class doesn't really matter right now. ID equals result. All right, and then should now. It's a draw. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Computer 1. It's a draw. It's over. Okay, I actually don't like the fact that a result is there. We're gonna move result out of there. Okay, just delete that. So it's out of the page. Okay, where can we put the result? I think result needs to go up there before even the choices. I think. Right, and I think the initial text has to be choose your weapon wisely, something like that, right? And then let's give it a class. So class of result. We can't do class because we already got an ID. Class of round updates, round results, round result. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. Choose your weapon wisely. So now, hey. Okay, I don't like the fact that there's so much space there. Let's remove some of the space. Let's do 20. Okay. Margin top, say 30 pixels. Victory. Okay. And okay, and then I need a reset button somewhere so they can, if you want to play again, you can play again. I mean, the game's pretty much complete. Um, oh, we need the images to show up on. Okay, how do I do that? JavaScript image load event. Image load on click, maybe? Load image JavaScript on load. What does that mean? You should set on load and then source, and theoretically image could load before the onload. I mean, it's basically the same as how I did result, right? So we got get element by ID. Um, what I don't know is how to store it. Okay, let's just attach everything on the page. Image source equals dot user and image source equals dot user scissors, right? Image source equals dot comp and image source equals dot comp. What we got left? Rock. Okay, I mean that's gonna look terrible right now because everything's gonna look. Oh no! I guess everything's just on top of each other. Oh, you might just score. I think you're gonna miss barely though. Close. I keep missing every single time. Um. Okay, let's move this here. I don't think you guys can see what the design looks like. So we have a working game, right? That's fantastic. So All right, what's the problem? What's the problem? What is the problem? The problem I'm trying to solve right now is how do I make this change depending on if you get rock or paper or scissors, right? So that's the thing. So what the code currently does is on user input, the value gets assigned. How to update and show the score? Okay, this one's done. We've done that. So the next problem is show the image on the screen. Yo, Abs, what's going on, man? Uh, dude, yeah. After you went to bed, I got the code working. Dude, the game works. You wanna see? You wanna see the game works? I'm so pumped. Got it working this morning. So, you see, Rock, you won. Rock beat scissors. User scored up by one. Paper, it's a draw. Scissors, okay, 1-1. You know, and we keep going, and then it's first to five. So draw, okay, 2-3. Computer 1-3-3. Oh man, we're about to lose. We're about to lose to the computer. Scissors. Crap. Come on, man. See, it's over. It's over, comrade. That's what it says. And if you win, uh, there's a couple of things I still need to fix. Let's see if we can win. There we go. And then it says victory, right? And after that, it doesn't do anything. So the problem I'm now trying to solve is once you get the victory state, I need all of these to disappear and basically give like a pop out saying play again. That's one thing. And the second thing I want to do is so when you select rock, I want this to change. So I want it to kind of come to the page, right? And then the computer selection is gonna show up. And I have no idea how to do that right now. You're gonna try and make that as well? Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Are you free today? Are you working? Or you got uni today? The code isn't very efficient though. It's super hard coded. I'm gonna wait for Bert to show up, and then he's gonna help me use this to do it. I have no idea how to use that. Apparently, you can use that, but yeah, just woke up as well. Nice, nice. Yeah, I went to bed early yesterday. Okay, but we are a functional gamer, and I'm so proud of this. Like, it's so sad, kind of. Like, but yeah, this is sick. We have a game. Victory, victory. Maybe we need exclamations for victory. All right. Okay. So how do I make the image load? So right now, what it does is so user underscore goes plus plus, and then in the so here's what's being returned, right? Console log. I think we can get rid of console logs now. I guess I could just do a return. That should still work. I hope. Hopefully doesn't break it. Yeah, that still works. Perfect. Okay, that's fine. So I guess we add something else to the array then. Yeah, let's give it an ID, right? So user rock will be the ID. ID equals user underscore rock, and I don't know how to. I do not know. So we can't do user rock for each one. So what we need to do. This is hard. Maybe round result image, and we. Oh, you can't have. Do you know what? Okay, let's go back. Use a rock image, right? And then we're gonna give it a class. Give it a class of round. Okay, we might be able to just. I have no idea if this is gonna work. um, and that's basically been my learning. Like, I don't know if this works. I'm just gonna try. That's been me for the last 2 months. Okay. All right. Let's do that. There's gonna be user hand. Nope. User scissors. Comp. Comp hand. Comp rock. Okay, so how do you do that? I think it needs to be get element by ID for sure. Right. We're gonna make that one of these. Get element by ID. The ID is gonna be. How did you do this? First, you made the game work on the console. Yeah. I made the game work on the console, and then I built this stuff. And once the HTML was done, and then step 3 was connecting them so it shows up on the page. I don't know if that's the right approach. That's because I was more comfortable with JavaScript because I just spent 20 days. That's what I did. So make the game work on the console, build the page, and now I'm trying to connect those two together. If you want these assets, I can send them to you too. What I did was, um, so man, I spent so much time trying to find them. So I got, yeah. So I found these online, right? I took screenshots of each of those. I went to this backgroundremover.com thing, and then I downloaded them. So and because that way it's PNG file with no background. So if you want to use the same things that I'm doing, I can send this across. The basically the rock, the hand things, because it took me like I think 30 minutes, 40 minutes was just spent on that. So yeah, let me know, man. I can set it on Discord. Yeah, okay. Send on Discord. Thanks. Yeah, all good, man. All good. Anything to not waste time. I wish someone did that for me. I was like, man. All right, man. I also wasted time trying to like build my own one on Canva, and it didn't work. You got 2 hours, okay, man. You can build it in 2 hours. It took me longer than that, but I think you can do it for sure, for sure, for sure. Where do I do it? Apps. CEO apps. How do I message you, bro? Okay, I'm just gonna write a message so it shows up first. There we go. Oh, do you know that one's messed up? I didn't know that one's messed up. Yeah, whatever. Okay, cool. Cool. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Anytime, man. Anytime. All right. How can we do this? I think we can do get class. get elements by class name, right? And the class name is going to be, I don't know what okay, round result image. Okay, but okay, I just broke the page, man. I just broke my game. What's going on? Equals result. Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, game's back working. So that is not how I do it. I just broke my game. I just broke my game. That's not good. Man, how do it? Is anyone pro in the chat who knows how to do this? Can someone please let me know? Hey, what's up, Marble? Welcome back. Marble would know. Marble, are you here? I need your help. I don't think he's here anymore. I saw him briefly in the chat. He's gone. He is gone. It's probably um. Yeah, I don't think there's anyone that can help. Result equals that. Do you know what? Maybe I needed to make it equal to result and not round result. Okay, how's that? Nope. It also needs to be hidden before we start, right? So I think we can just do that, set the opacity to 0 or something. Okay. Oh. Round result image. That's the class. Or would I go round result instead? Maybe. I don't know, man. I don't know. I do not know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, how the hell are we gonna make this work? So right now all it does is it does that, and at the end we return the result, right? So I want it to return an image. There you go. Return an image as HTML. Try this. Variable image equals set image.set attribute, document to create an element, append new child. Looks like that's what we need to do. Variable. All right, let's try that. Let's go use input, custom input. All right. Let image. We need two of them too. Actually, we need two. Let's set a user result image equals document dot create element, and we're going to create an image. So I guess img. Let's move this to the left so you guys can see what I'm typing. Okay, so we're going to create an image. So image dot, come on, img dot. Why is it doing that? I don't want you to do that. So attribute is going to be src. Okay. User. Okay. Maybe we need to go user result rock image. Create that. Okay. And then go variable div5. Div5. What is div5? Div5 equals. Div5 append child. What is div5? Oh, div5 is because of its code. Okay. Function show image. Variable image. Document create element image. Okay, I'm missing that part of the code, huh? So maybe we don't need all of these here. Maybe I can just have one image equals yeah, id equals user result image class okay. User rock image is going to be the id. So get element by the image, that's going to be the id. So Okay, create that. We're gonna need a function, aren't we? We're gonna have to create some kind of function. Okay, let's copy that. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it right in here. So we're gonna. I don't even know what that's gonna do. I'm just gonna test it out. Rock. Okay, didn't do anything. Hey, it got rid of our. Where's my result gone, dude? It's gone. Ah, because of this. All right, let's try again. I just broke my game, man. I don't know what I did. My game's working. Stop working. What did I mess up? I just messed up big time. Okay, why is result not showing? Choices, result. Oh, got opacity to 0. That's why. Um. Okay, we're gonna call it run result text then. Okay, that should fix that. Run result text. Okay, how are we doing? There we go. It's back. Okay. Okay, I fixed it. I fixed it. The picture still doesn't load though, man. I don't know how to fix that. Or how to even code that in right now. Yeah, no. Okay. ID is going to be use result image. All right, let's see where you go. So what did this guy have? This guy had variable new image document get member ID image an HTML image source dot in HTML equals image source image. Coke in the morning. Yep. Did you use readline? Nope. I don't know what that is. I don't even know what that is. Readline JavaScript. There's Node. Nah. How to use readline function in JavaScript? Nah, don't worry. Okay. No, I didn't use that. Man, my code is like super basic, like dumb basic. Because that's the only way I know how to code right now. Image tags of no arrangement miss, so it's no. I hope he's got some seriously schizophrenic code there. That's funny. Okay, so that may not be a good example. How to return an image from HTTP source in JavaScript. So how did you save user input from console? How did I save user input from console? Do you want to see my code? I can show my code, but that might ruin it. How did I save user input? So yeah, I created variables, initialize it to an empty string, and then create a function that takes a value, and then whatever value I assign it to the input. So that's how I stored user input, if that makes sense. And then yeah, that's how the input, and then this is the thing to run to create the computer's input, and then based on the inputs, we then run the who wins thing. Does that make sense? All right, sure. All right, okay. You might have a better implementation than that. Mine's very basic, man. You got it? Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Bro, at least you got it working. Yeah, it's working. It's crazy. It's working. How do I? You need to add an image tag inside the list element to get the images. Function add people, file element, document people. I might have to cheat. I might have to cheat because I can't find anything Google. Yeah, I'm gonna cheat. By cheat, I mean I want to look at someone else's code and how, because the game's working, right? This isn't really cheating because right now I'm just trying to figure out how to do the. Whoa, you see that? It's in the background. Whoa, I just needed to show instead of being in the background like that. Like, what the hell? All right, I think it was from the Odin project. I'll be right back. Uh, yeah, okay, this guy's got it. So if I take a look at his code, maybe it'll give us some hints. JavaScript. There we go. Find oldest people. You what? Game score, computer score, playground player selection, computer selection, random computer. If Oh, look at that. He actually put it. Okay, that's how he returned the thing. Update human score. I have no idea. No idea what that is. Oh man, my battery's dying. Oh, what the hell is my phone? Hey, what's up, bud? Good morning. How are you? It's going good, man. We got a working game. It's working now. I had it working in the console last night before I went to bed, and then this morning, it's working. Yeah, let me show you. Let me show you. So this is the game. Refresh, right? Choose a weapon wisely. When I click rock, okay, what the hell? There you go. Computer one, paper bits rock. Score goes up by one. Computer one, the first one. So draw. So the counter goes up. If it's draw, it doesn't do anything. I'm losing, bro. I'm losing again. Draw. Okay, and it's over. Man, computer beat me 5-1. Let's refresh. Okay, this is rigged because I won earlier. You won. Okay, I need one more to win. Just draw rock. I lose again. Anyway, that's the game, so it's working. Oh, yeah, man, it's pretty sick. What I'm trying to do now though is I've been looking over basically what I want. So I've got these images that I just created. It's got computer hand, rock, scissors, and then we got the reverse right hand, image, scissors. I'm trying to figure out how to. So whatever the result is, I want the picture to show up down here. So right now, I've got the images. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. So I'm googling, but I couldn't find. So right now, I'm trying to peek at someone else's code because they've got it here. So when I do that, it changes. This guy's code might not be that good. Um, yeah. So yeah, you can just change the source object key. All right, how do you do that? You can just change the source object key of the image tag with JS. So that means I only need one image. That's what you're telling me, right? Okay. All right. So let's get rid of all of that. We're just gonna have one image. Okay. We need two images actually. One's gonna be a user. I can go. All right. So you're telling me I can change the source. All right. So we're gonna leave the source as empty for now. Okay, we can get rid of the opacity then because I delete everything. Column. You can also do it with multi images, which would be more efficient maybe. Image source equals sum of the source JPG. You can change the class names by adding or removing the class. Okay, I just deleted all my pictures then. Let's bring it back. Actually, I do need these to be in two different separate divs. Hmm. Either way would work, whichever is easier, go with that one. I think changing the source makes sense, so then I can specify instead of hiding it. Okay. How do you comment out CSS? Is this right? Oh, okay. This is commented. Okay, sick. Did you just wake up or have you not slept? Because I know you have a very late sleeping pattern like mine. Okay, image. I slept during your party. Okay. Yeah. The image equals. So we're gonna leave an empty source class. Class equals user result image. All right, let's see if we can get this one done. Actually, let's set an ID, not class. Okay, and I don't know where to put it. I think somewhere here. This can go then. Um, you can change the source of the object key of the image tag with JS. To multiple image. Okay, change the source key. Yeah, I was googling some stuff and I couldn't make it work. I couldn't make it work. Can I, bro? Why is it? I can do this all day. Someone, I don't know why you got banned, man. What was that? Let's see. Nightball. Spam warning. What did you do? Titus Kirk. Spam protection. Logs. Oh, look at that. It's working. That's amazing. Our thing is working. So I guess what we're gonna do is get element by ID. This is gonna be the ID. Okay, it's not quite doing what I thought it would do. Image dot source. document dot. Oh, I'm missing the document. I don't need this thing. Okay, so user input is rock. Um, Actually, this one's for P, so that shouldn't even be here. That should be for when the user input is rock. Alright, second one. Variable x equals document gamma name image dot source. Yeah, that's what I needed to do. How that changed it. Okay, let's see how to do it. Image ID is my image, source is that. Function document element by ID my image. The source equals that. Do I need to create a separate function to change the things maybe? How do we do that? How do we? The problem with my code also is there's one big giant function that has everything in it. It's just one function that runs the entire thing. Is input value? Get talking. Okay. All right. Let's do another function. Function. Let's try it. Function set user image. Okay. And I'm try and do what's here, right? Set user image, and then this thing right here. Sorry, not there. right here. So document the get element by ID. The ID is there. Is that true? Image ID. Hmm. Okay. If user input yo, we got it working. Look at that. That's it. So when I hit paper, doesn't once it hits rock, boom, that's a rock. That is a rock. Okay. Um. okay. So we're gonna need something else. I don't know how I'm gonna do the compare one yet, but that works. Else if use a scissors, use a hand, use a rock. Rock. Okay, it doesn't change. Okay, once it comes up, it doesn't change. That's a problem. We need to. It needs to reset. Refresh. Okay, paper. Got the paper, and then rock. Oh, maybe it is working. That's sick. All right, paper, rock, scissors. Are you guys watching? Bert, are you here, man? Are you watching? Abs, are you still here? Winwood, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Yes, sir. Bro, check this out, man. So I click rock, the rock shows up. I click paper, the paper shows up. Scissors, that's so sick. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, now I'll go do the same thing for. All right. I think this is all I need to do. Oh, I know what the problem is. We don't have any. We don't have this created. So I need to change. I think we got it. I think we got it working. Um, okay, that's a problem. That's an easy problem. We can fix the round result, right? Round result. Display row. There we go. Margin top of 20 pixels, perhaps. Okay, that sucks. Okay, that works. Margin top. Margin left of probably 30 pixels. And then we'll do the same thing for margin right. Okay. We have a working game, man. This is sick. Okay. All right. So okay. So the only thing now missing is once the game is over, there's no way for it to reset right now. It needs to reset the game. How do we do that? Okay. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I got no idea how to reset the game. I just noticed my computer sound's not coming out. Hey, I think it's because I'm using my headphones. Bravo, Pablo. What's going on, man? Derek Smalls. Welcome to the stream. How you guys doing? I don't think you guys can hear my music. I don't know what's going on. Okay, should be able to hear that now. Oh my god, Elsif. Oh, trust me, man. Trust me. I got so many Elsif. Um, I need to refactor it for sure. But it's my very first project and it works. So that's all that matters right now. So there's two things I need to do, right? One, the only thing now I need to do is be able to, once the game is over, victory, I need a pop up or something where you can reset the game and start over. And once that is built, and then we'll look into refactoring the code. Apparently, I can use this object to do it instead of all this elsif and all this stuff. But yeah, that's where we're at. Funny Pro. Okay. How do you reset it? Maybe another function like function game reset restart. Probably. And this needs to basically look into I don't know if that's gonna work. If okay, what am I looking to check? I'm looking to check if either of these scores are 5, right? Which is okay. We actually don't need this one. If that is equal to 5 or comp round score is also equal to 5, then basically alright, let's see if that works. Computer wins is not defined. Oh crap, I just deleted that. Okay. So it didn't do it. Okay, so all right. So we're gonna have to do it somewhere here. How do we make a reset? Hmm. Restart, right? HTML form element reset methods restores a form's element to default values. Document element by ID form reset. That's a form though. What are we dealing with here? So this is a yeah. So these two needs to go back to 0, right? That's what I need to do. They're not forms. They are. It's just a div. Um, I don't know how to say reset. Basically, it needs to go back to state. The state. Choose your weapon wisely state. Okay. Right. So it's over. That is coming from. So we might have to create a. Okay, I'm thinking we're gonna replace these buttons. So we're gonna hide these three, and show one big button that says play again. Right. How can we do that? So the way we solved the image problem was by changing the source. So maybe we can hide them. Hide elements by class. Document element returns an HTML collection, like an array of object. All elements matching the class name, the style. Okay, we can do something like this. Visibility to 0. That's gonna happen. What's the class name, by the way? Choices. Okay. Oh my god, your button's so bad. What do you mean? The design? Okay, so what we need to do. Result victory, console log, let's reset. Alright, so instead of doing that, I think we can do this. Document.getElement class name. That's gonna be choices. Okay, that should at least hide one of them, right? Let's see. Let's see if it hides rock. Yeah, I really don't want to repeat those things here. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. Okay, it's hidden it. Nope. Function with argument this.id. What do you mean? Function with argument this.id. Man, I have no idea what that means. I've literally just learned JavaScript and very new to it. This.id. I know this takes the object, right? Function with argument. So you want me to create a new function? Okay, so I've done the hidden thing, and then it just needs to create. You have an action e type on click e targeted ID. All queries must make on JavaScript level. Okay, so what I've got right now is, yeah, you're right, I do have on click. So on click does this. Better makes on click round rock in here instead of this.id. Okay, what's the difference? Oh, I got two round now. Okay. Why is it not liking that? Single quotes, huh? Interesting. Why is it not liking my button anymore? Oh, I got that. What? I don't know what happened. Why did it break? Okay. See, all I was doing was rock. Hey, what's up, Marble? You about to land, bro? Let's do it. And repeat it for all functions. Okay. Oh, you said that's because all queries must make on JavaScript level. Rock, paper. maps. Almost about to. Next time. All right. So I've done that. Let's see if that still works. Okay, still works, which is good. Victory, and it's hidden the thing. Amazing. So now I needed to create. Now your function instantly knows the argument. Cool. Okay, awesome. Thanks. The hide is also working, so now I know this code is bad, but once it's working, we'll then look into making it more performant and whatnot. So we got it hidden, and now I want to create one. Document. Bro, this music keeps playing. And don't finding target ID on DOM. Why is that? DOM is horrible. Okay. Document create element. Okay. HTML DOM. Okay. Append child. Not doing anything. I don't know how to do that. Create native. Man, maybe I should watch some YouTube videos. Create new. Let's say button. Sure. How do you create a button with JavaScript? Document create. Okay, there we go.
How's it going, guys? My name is Dom, and today I want to talk about the document.create within your JavaScript. A web server request that we do is method takes one parameter most of the time, and that one is just the tag name of that new element. So to make a div, you would type in div inside here just like that. Now within this code right here, a new element has been created, and it's a div, and it's assigned to this variable right here. So now with this, we can actually just log out this variable and we'll see how we go. So we'll come down here, we'll say log, and we'll pass in new element into there just like that. We can save this, go in the browser, and refresh. And we see we get a div tag that looks detailed description of this up. We scroll down. So pretty interesting is we'll change. Now with this, we're making. So now we're going to actually append the child method dot referring to the body element. Now in my I don't know if you've got this in child, we'll add this element.
Okay, that makes sense. So we can do something like that. I mean, we could close. It's hidden it. So before we append, all right. So what we're creating is okay. Let's create a button. Right. So document the create element. Let new game element equals document the create element button, and then after that, document dot get element by class. Class dot append child, and the class name is choices. I don't know if that's gonna work. Class name. Now I'll give you a second lesson. If you can delete all, you can delete all the own info. So just make it one string. Yeah. Once this is working, yeah, let's do that for sure. See, I need to learn how to do that for like 100%. But I want to make this thing here reset. It's not resetting right now. I need to make the game finish. Okay, so I didn't like that. It's not a function. Document the body dot append child. Document. Oh, what was the good choices? New game element, right? Maybe we can have this variable up top. I think what I'm missing, not choices. Let's say new game, and what I'm gonna do is I don't know. Choices was gonna be the okay. So maybe I hide those and not the entire class, right? Okay. It hit one of them. Just make on one string if else some var equals some. Are you talking about like the ES6 stuff? If else some variable equals some variable. Yeah, you can delete the stuff. Okay. Yeah, no, I agree 100%. About I'll do that at the end after the whole game is working. We'll refactor it, make it look pretty. Maybe also change the logic if we can. But right now the game isn't working, so that's what the problem is right now. Why is this not working? Why is it not working? You have one action on if else, if else. Yeah, it's either gonna. I mean, there's two actions. It's either gonna go the user round score by up, or it's gonna do comp round score plus plus. It's two different actions. Unless I'm completely misunderstanding what you're saying. Okay, why? Sorry, got my Amazon delivery. Did you manage to change the? Awesome, man. Did you get your webcam? Yeah, I got the image, bro. You want to see? I'm running into a different problem now. I'm trying to solve a different problem, but here's what it looks like. But rock, look at that. And then the hand changes paper. Paper shows up. Scissors show up. So yeah, it's working. So the final thing I'm trying to solve now is, so when it gets to 5, I needed to reset the game again. Okay. Fun Day Pro. If you want to join Discord and put it there, yeah, we can check on them, man. That would be awesome. If undefined, where do you want me to put that line? What line? Like somewhere here? Hello, bro. I need to. Yeah, sorry, Fun Day. I'm not understanding what you say, man. Because like, so when you do it right, so user input, paper input, hello, bro, and user. So these change. So there's two actions going on here, and depending on what changes, we update these, right? So I'm not sure what you mean by this one action. What am I missing? Wouldn't setting U and 0 reset the game? Huh. I kind of wanted to have a text that says like click to play again, basically. So you see the this button's gone. Okay. Hey, one of them went away. Oh, because I'm only targeting 0. So I wanted to replace these by one button, and then I mean you can make your code more compact. Okay, 100%. We will make more compact. once the code is working. I definitely agree with you. But I wanna get the game finished first, and then we can focus on that. But again, 100% agreed. This code is just like this is my first project, man. Just hackish kind of code. All right. Anyway, so what we got here is rock, paper. So once it gets to 5, oh, computer score is not going up. Everything's a draw. All right, we broke it, guys. We broke it. What did I break? What did I break? It's okay. You're good. Okay. Thanks. I broke something, man. I just broke something. What did I break? Why is it taking a different line? Don't do that. Victory. Okay, that's fine now. Initial choice. So, also, I don't think we need to count this. Yeah, I don't need that right now because I'm not actually using that. Okay, that's a problem. It doesn't reset both of them. Um, victory. And then reset to 0. Yeah, but I wanted to reset after you click a button, right? So how do we do that? Initial choice, style, visibility, hidden. Okay. Let's go ahead and add this in here. Oh, we already have that. Cannot set property visibility of undefined choices. Oh, should be initial choice. Okay. Why doesn't it like that? I don't know why it doesn't like that. Still doesn't like it. 112 choices. Any idea, Funday Pro, why it's not working? I basically want it to hide everything. Hide. Okay, so what I want is hide these three buttons and then show another button that's gonna. One more moment. Transfer your document query selector, the last name as on const. I'm transferring this to a const, is that what you're saying? I can't understand it. It'll break your brain. Oh, that's funny. Const hide buttons. Hide button. Hide buttons. But that's not a function. That's just a. That's just a thing. It's okay. Horrible code is first of good code. Awesome. I don't know. It was working earlier, man. Why is it still working all of a sudden? My code is macaroni. Yep, just need some sauce, man. I'll be good. Yeah, so once it hits that point, document.get elements by class name, choices, tile, visibility, hidden. Why won't you work? Oh damn, computer's giving me on the start of document of selectors transfer on const. Like all of these? To give you more readable code. Okay. Alright, I will. I just wanna make this one work first and then we'll do that. I don't know why this doesn't work. Hide JavaScript hide elements, right? Java. Okay, maybe ID. Hiding a button in JavaScript. Hidden is not hidden if hidden. Okay, something like that. section 0. Yeah, I don't want it to be on click though. Const element document get element get L by class name, some name, and inside functions use like that. Okay, you're still talking about redoing the code to make it look readable, right? Okay, I'll add that as a note here. Again, we will do it, just not yet. So do this for all, I think you said document selectors. Element style dot display equal none. Oh, okay. All right, let's try that. Const initial buttons equals, okay, class name. So the class name is choices, right? It's the entire section, okay? Class name. All right, so initial buttons, and you're telling me I can now go in here and do initial buttons dot style dot display equals none. Yep. Say wait. No. Choices not defined. Line 45. Oh. Okay, how's that? Get L by class name is not a function. 45. Yeah, it's still doing the same thing. Okay, not important. Yeah, it's still running the same issue. Like, why is it saying round JS at HTML button and amount click 18? Click HTML 18. Oh, on click HTML 18. So it's not. Is it because I've got the on click stuff? Document the query select is better practice. And then what do I put in here? Is that going to be ID or what? Point front of class name in classes choice. Don't know, bro. I don't know what's going on. Why won't that work? Style display equals none. Oh, I think I might know. Result equals. All right. So if we make this an array, that might be why. No, it's not hiding anything. It is not hiding anything. Document the query selector, return first element with this class, code pin that I have. Oh, you want my code in there? Yeah, sure. Sure. Pen. CSS zone needs. Okay. Well, it's this in there anyway. Save. Okay. Oh yeah, the image is not going to work as my local file. But other than that, we should be good here. Okay.
To the body tag. So it's basically just doing this. Input, just like that. Get rid of this. Save it. Go in.
Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn how to hide a show div element using JavaScript. Basic structure, height around 10, then select the div element. So it will be document.query selector div. Now we'll add a event listener to the button so that when we'll click on the property, then add button, div element is gone, click again, it's back. You can see it's working.
I have no idea, man. I feel like I might need to take a break and come back because I've been looking at this way too long now. choices, right? Let's see. Hide elements by class. Div to hide as an array. For high 0 and oh, I gotta do one of these for loops. All right, so I'm gonna rename that to initial choices, and then let's create initial button. Okay, maybe we can do a function hide L equals initial buttons dot length. Initial buttons height items dot style dot display is none. How's that? Is that gonna work? Let's see. Okay, it messed up my CSS, but yeah, I completely broke it. That is completely breaking it. Victory. Just literally putting it as a text. Okay, Fun Day Pro, what's going on, man? How's the code looking? What's up, Bo? Are you here? I see you. I'm trying to read. Okay. Because, yeah, I am stuck, man. I feel like I need to take a break. Otherwise, the game's working out. All I need to do now is reset. Reset. Just needs to reset. And it needs to reset. Um, it was hiding. I was able to hide it earlier. Why did it stopped hiding after a while? I don't know why. You make so hard for read code. Yep. Newbie problems, man. Newbie problems. It's the first reason why you stuck. You think so? I don't think so. I mean, could be. I mean, the problem is this is the first time I'm using query selectors. I didn't know what query selector was until 2 hours ago. Actually, that's a lie. I knew about it last night. So it's all new to me. Hey, what's up, Marble? Might be worth refactoring. Easy to think about code when you break it up into smaller pieces. Okay. Fun day is refactoring for me. That's so funny. I appreciate guys' help, man. Why is it not doing that? Alright, let's get rid of that, okay? Hmm. Maybe I just need to go not in here. We put it directly in here somewhere. Okay, that is breaking. I don't know, man. I'm gonna wait for Fun Day now. Fun Day, my code is now in your hands. We'll see how you refactor it and then see where it come with it. Oh, look at that. No, it's not. I got excited for no reason. I had it hidden. Okay. I was able to hide it earlier, man. I swear. It was hidden for a bit. Are you familiar with UML? No, no. Maybe I should learn it. What's UML? JavaScript. Man, I don't give you answer. Okay. Yep, that's also good. How to create a JavaScript UML? You must make it post. 100%. I agree with that. Template config, section class, template style. All right, but I'm gonna work. All right, man. Enjoy the rest of the day. Hopefully, I'll see you tonight. I'll be back on tonight again. The Odin project is just like Free Code Camp. That's another thing I've been kind of doing alongside. It's just like Free Code Camp, but different. Okay. I just make your code more comfortable to read. All right, yeah, that works. Yeah, it's like what 12 p.m. right now. I think yeah, I'm probably gonna stay for another 20 minutes or so, kind of get some sleep. But I should be back around 8 p.m. our time, 9 p.m. Yeah, I'm gonna do some more, man. And also, I don't know if it's worth spending so much more time on this project. The game's working. All I need to do now is reset it. Unified markup language is a way of visually representing what the internals of a code looks like. In terms of learning, I'm more of a visual learner, so I find. Okay. Where do I go to learn about that? A visual diagram. Oh, like these, like flowcharts. Was UML actually used outside of uni? It's a university thing, huh? All right, okay. It's can't be that hard. It's can't be that hard. We're almost there. So if the user runs goes over 4, victory. While you're doing victory, I also want you to hide something. So document by get elements by class name. Class name. All right, so choice buttons is what I'm going to call it. I want you to get all the elements by those class name and then set the display to none. Hands. Hey, what's up, bro? It's a good way to think. about thing should be structured. What? Hidden. Now you can use CSS to make images bubble. Oh yeah, 100%. We can do that. I just need to do one more thing, and then we can look into refactoring and I don't know, making the code go all crazy like that. I don't know why it's none. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. So one other thing, though. Okay, would you look at that? Maybe it is working. Rock, paper, scissors. All right, let's go. Somebody win. It's broken, man. It's broken. The dot style display none is usually done like this. In CSS, you have something like hidden display none, and in JS, you do something like document element ID rock class list dot add hidden to hide. This way, you don't have to deal with the styling in GSS. Style the display because none is usually down. Okay, let's try that. Also, by what do you mean? I'm using the return wrong. Dot. Class list dot add. Okay, I think this is the problem here. So I'm making the result, which is this, equal to result. Right. Okay, that makes sense. Why that was not working. But the hidden. All right. Let's see if it actually added the hidden tag to it. Style, appearance button. Element style. Oh, look at that. But that was it. I think it worked. So I just need to repeat the same thing for the rest of them. It added it. Nice. Yeah, I just hadn't saved it. That was a problem. Okay. So what I can do is just add paper, scissors. What? Just keep doing a draw. Okay, that broke it. That broke it. Okay, that breaks. That breaks. It breaks when I add all three. Oh, because I guess it's only a single element meant to be. If you can like small developments like that. Okay. This is so bad. Just gonna just gonna do one at a time, and it's gonna have to copy it to whatever, man. I just want it to work. After it works, we'll worry about the rest of the stuff. All right, let's see. Boom, gone. It is gone. Okay. And we need a new button. I refactor code. Look at some comments. Okay. How do I check? Code pen. I think you have to send me a new link because this looks just like my code. Right. Is it refactored though? I don't think it's refactored. I mean, or have you added comments? I don't see the comments. Okay. It's already changed. All right. What? Okay. So what's changed? Let's see. I don't see anything different, man. Yeah, I think you need to save on your account and send me a new link. Okay, good news is the buttons are gone. I make a GIF. What's this? It's the same but different, but still same. Yeah. Hey, okay, the buttons are gone. Now I want to create a button. How do I do that? Document dot create element. Let's just say create a p tag. Okay. Still, still looks the same to me, right? I think you need to save it. You need to click save on your account and send me a link with your account. Oh, you need to fork it, I think. So if you click on, yeah, if you click on, oh, I don't know. I actually don't know. Did I close the thing? There we go. Funday Pro. That's the one. All right. Let's see what you did different. Hey, we got all these slots. Wait, this is your one, bro. It's not the one. Yes, it is. Sorry, my bad. You just changed the. You copied into something else. Okay. Um, Cons, initial buttons, choices. I think that was. Okay, that was the last one. Oh. Function round value is the main game function. Let's zoom in so you guys can read it too. All right. It's the main game function. Set user image to turn. Okay. Computer turn. Console log. If user input is not undefined, computer turn starts the computer turn. Check winner on round. Checking winner on this turn. Now you need to make the last function. This function must check scores of players. Oh, look at that! You separate it into different functions. Function set image. If okay, so that's gonna run. That's gonna run here. Function computer turn robot turn. Yep. If number yep. Set user image can be done using a switch. Function computer turn robot turn if number equals 1. Function check winner round. Okay. So you basically separate into mini functions, right? Like separate functions. And he also gave it this name. Very cool. And then you're just calling it value. Now you need to make a last function. This function will check scores of players, and if on off, if one of them wins, reset the game. All right. And that you're naming as well, thought. Yeah, this is cool. Thanks so much, Funday. Appreciate it. All right, so we just need to create a new function now to. Not at all. Man, I don't understand how this works because this code isn't until like way down the line. So how is this gonna? Well, I guess it's gonna read through that and go, okay, I have the value, set the value, set user image, and then it's gonna go whoop, right here. Do I have the value? Yes, I do, and then do that, and then I guess it's gonna come back up again and go computer turn, and then it's gonna go to computer turn. Do I have these? Yes, no, and then it goes back up again. Is that what it does? No, auto is streamer. Oh, the triple equals. Yeah, the triple equals is all me, but you taught me, and I've just been he basically took my code and he just refactored it. That's what he did. Uh, nope, they're in functions. Functions aren't automatically executed. You need to look at where they're being called. Okay, where are they being called? Right, so it's been called in here, right? That's what it's been called. So it's gonna go through, read through all this, and it's gonna start this function, and then here's where we call it in that. So when we call that, it's going to go down and find this, right? And once it's called, it's going to go back up and then call this. I think that's what it's doing, right? Function as saves in memory and using on code. This code must be out of core stack. So the set user image, that one, is being called inside round. Where is round being called? Where is round being called? Round is being called. Okay. So I was calling around in two ways. I was doing either in the console. So when I was initially writing the code, I was manually calling it in here, right? Like that. Or the other way you can call it right now is on click. So when you click on it, That's when it gets cold, which should be, yeah, here. Here's where it's getting cold, round. So, okay, I see what you mean. So the thing loads, and then when someone clicks on it, it then calls this code, calls this function. I mean, where is it gone? I see an on-click event. Cool. All right, awesome. So yeah, so it does that, and then when you call it again, it goes down, finds the code, comes, and then it comes back up. I assume. Yeah. Okay, that's very interesting how you've done that. Okay, cool, awesome, man. Thanks again. Fun day. I'm actually gonna call this a stream. It's been 3 hours. I need to get some sleep, man. I didn't sleep enough. I slept like after the second stream late last night. I slept a little bit, woke up, so I'm gonna go grab some sleep. I will be back again later tonight. So what time? It's 1 p.m. now. Probably in 6 hours, maybe 7 hours. I'll be back, and we'll continue. I think we're just gonna start. We're gonna start with the JavaScript 30, and then we'll learn the HTML CSS at the same time. That's what we can do tonight. So we're gonna finish off this, and then we'll do it again. You did what, like 5 hours plus 2 hours plus 4 hours, 18-hour stream. Yeah, yeah, basically. How can we check Twitch? Let's go down here. Yeah, whatever. We can put it up here. Yeah. Basically, been streaming nonstop. Been coding nonstop too, which is come on, critique, create a dashboard. Yeah, stream manager, insights, channel analytics. Not enough data? What do you mean? Time stream, give me that. Yeah, so we did hang on, that's all today. Yo, 26. We've streamed 10 hours and 19 minutes so far, including now. So yeah, gonna get a bit of sleep, come back, and let's make it a 16-hour stream. Maybe even more. See, yeah, man, good work with the first project. Rest is important, so is rest. So is GraphQL. Nice, man. Got jokes. So you made super progress during the time I was gone. Thank you, man. Thank you. Awesome. Yeah. Hopefully, see you guys again tonight. I think we're gonna stream White Panther. She rated me last time. I think give her a quick raid if you guys are up for it. Why not, right? Many things are important, but some are important. 100%. All right, we're gonna go raid her. Again, thanks for hanging out, guys. See y'all later. See you tonight. Okay. Oh, well. Raid. Only 4 people? It's gonna be the shortest.
So, I'll show you how this is all set up. Maybe I'll move it in the middle of me and Steve.
Alright, catch you later.